Ku jeni dosta, mirë se erdhët me një video të Nari. Sot vendosa me qitë një loj FIFA. Qish përqeni jam gati divizion 3, ta këshurim sot apo në don, as për në don. Dresët i marëm ku që vitë, si gjithmonë. Sot është ditë shumë e nxehtë jam. Une në këtë ditë e kom vendos me nejtë shpi me lujt FIFA. A jam mirë në tru, se di. Ekipin e pas ka super kjo averi.
Lovely evening for football. My name's Guy Mowbray. Sue Smith is alongside me for commentary. And we're very much looking forward to this division rivals game. How do you see this one going, Sue?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them the final instructions.
Sure, some dog
Go
not
out
say.
and give it their all. Hopefully that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward
Qit
to this one.
Lewandowski na pet pas na rumëre. Me hek. E qysh bre që kjo mës me një gol? E qfar sajnë i sot o një gol në lujti?
And they go short with the ball. Caroline. Fantastic looking ball. And it's offside here.
Shqyr offside.
Asensio. Oh, gone for it. More work to do yet. Oh, that's really well cut out.
Shkoja pasoj kundështarit, hajde po dalë, hajde.
This could be threatening. Oh, superb reflexes. They decide against putting it into the box. Could take things forward a notch here. And it's held on to comfortably. Winning the ball back and in a promising position.
Si jam normal, çfarë aksione jam të u.
Caroline. Lovely incisive ball. And he's through here. And that's a fine save.
Me në që si aksione se të këti averit
Rafinha.
nuk hupi kur. Me pas portierin
Surprising who we've singled out as
largë
our player
gol
to
edhe me
watch.
hup që si aksioni hajtë zoti i madh.
Well, 4 goals last time out. The defenders just couldn't cope with her energy.
Kjo
The
averi
way
s'ka
that she
normal.
finished the chances. Let's see what she can do today.
Hajde për bab mu, hajde se
Confident push forward.
pak 30 gradë jashtë. Edhe pak të
Well,
një
it looks
prish njerëve
promising,
ati
but
këto.
only up to a point.
Ke çfarë gabime jam të bënë zoti hajde ba.
For the lead now. And that was a great chance for the opener.
And how are they not 1-0 up? He has to be clinical in that position. He looks absolutely gutted.
Just needs the composure now.
Hajde.
It's not away yet. Now maybe. And it's in. It's no longer goalless. There's the opener.
Well, this is great. I really like the way he slipped past his
Kuku,
marker
qa
here.
i
And the
pëmbon
movement is good to
averi.
get on the end of it.
Mu kanë
That's
skru
a
në
simple finish at the end.
lojën tash direkt.
1-0 then as we get started again.
Ani këshirja stila. Ha verit.
And the forward progress continues.
Mos për që aty.
Closed it down well.
Doj, qëfar pasimi ka bon lojtari.
Lewandowski. That's a good ball. And it's opened up.
Shtylla. E, po shaj zot që marrë farfati e ka e rrota shtylla.
You just think that would have given them a nice cushion to work with.
Having a try.
Ah,
Oh, that's a great block.
i.
An attack of genuine promise now. But able to deal with the danger
Bravo.
decisively. Well defended.
Pa shaj zot, mbrejt zguri.
Lewandowski.
Mos ati.
Zlatko Tripic. What's their
gole.
grip on this game?
O flutter og plom, o përmbi hava, o përmbi
So away we go
hava.
again at 2-0 now. Ronaldo. On to Di Maria.
Shërbeq.
Jurien
Djem
Timber.
këta, po duka me nëzon peng, edhe me qu në kazinën shkup.
Oh, they looked in there. That's
Ky
nicely
pas ka
cut
fat
out.
shumë, pas s'ko ka
Yeah, it was
këto e
nice
ditë me
up top,
përdor
but
Haveri.
just lacked that bit of quality, didn't they?
Making decent progress here. And it must be. And they're three in front now. What a performance this has been so far.
Marco Asensio e shënon gol me tret aty miq, minuta 33, rezultati 3-0 për ekipin e huaj. Ekipi
Every kick-off becomes harder than the last.
ekipi
with a
vendas
goal like this.
ka dhënë dorëheqje siç po shihet. Jo, nuk po dorëzohet ekipi vendas.
Now there could be a chance to counter. And the counter fizzling out
Oj,
again.
oj, oj.
He's in here.
Oj, çfarë
It's
goli
become a
miq.
question of just how many they'll get.
Robert Lewandowski shënon 2 gola
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so
në
well to
ndeshjen e
get
sotme.
past his marker. That's what
Rezultati 4-0, nuk e di pse nuk ashtu e lën lojën Haveri.
So the lead now 4-0 as the game restarts. Hernandez.
Shajebe të bab. Ai
First half
do
almost
fallitori.
over. And what a position.
Po që për
they've
Ino
got
të s'kom
themselves
me ta
into
marrë
here.
tupin, një që
Yeah,
për
it's
Ino.
been a great first half. They've
Për Ino
controlled
s'kom me marrë,
large
që haj.
parts of the game, and they look like they're going to score every time they go forward. If it stays like this at half time,
Që
they'll
për
be
Ino.
delighted with that.
Se di pse po vendos me ma prish video në ti Haver.
Trying to force a mistake. Caroline.
Që hajde tash ai gol.
Fish and chips showing good width here. Oh, what a chance.
Që
Oh, this
Që,
is
veç
getting
për Inoti.
unbelievable.
Veç për Inoti.
Absolute thrashing.
Ti mu me ma bo kështu. Mu me ma prish video.
If we take a look
Ska
at it
shot.
again, it's great centre forward play. Uses his body so well, spins his marker, and then finishes it off nicely.
There's one left behind.
Oj.
Oh, real opportunity. It's a goal. That's something. We
Ah,
say
per
you
more
never know
Sardet.
sometimes, but I think we do. Rafinha. Asensio.
Bret të shkon më shpejt Rafinha.
Yeah, right place, right time.
Shire më ku po
No
manor
messing
në
about
aksion.
there.
And that's going to be it for the
Nese,
first
tash
45 minutes.
e shtina mesin sër.
Here we go then. The
Hajde,
second
Messi.
half underway with a big gap between
Oj,
them.
oj, oj. Se ku deshta me pacu që aty zoti e din.
Ronaldo. And a goal, but slightly all too little to affect the
Hey.
result. But there is still
Shire
fight
më
left in
skripti
them.
do e kam më kap.
Asensio. This could get interesting. Oh, it must be here. Taken cleanly.
Që ky aksion gjëna është që s'ka një gol. Unë nuk e di kjo lojë far logjike ka.
What a chance here.
Doje këtë pru.
He saw it coming.
Yeah, he nicked it in the bud quickly there.
A lot of room for them here. Gets past really nicely. Seeking goal number 2.
Pasha i zotë të mbo presion Haveri tash.
Rivaling, finding little pockets around the goal more and more now.
Bravo be Rafinha. Shtyje, shtyje bab.
Oh, they're in on goal. And that's a gift of a goal. With the plane only going
Çfarë
one way, I'm
gabimi,
afraid.
more.
It's a goalkeeper error and a big one at that. Zielinski. On to Messi. Fernandes. Marco Asensio. And it's on there.
E qysh bërë nuk shotoj Messi që aty? Ku... Pasha I zot
Could be a chance to
skriptin ka ka.
serve through on a
Ka
plate
ma
here.
këthy.
Just to bring the lead back.
Aj, nuk është normal. Nuk është normal, 4 golla një mas një më një pa vedi.
Rafinha. Taking advantage there to win the ball. Enzo Fernandez. They might get another go here.
Pasha I zot sa normal.
A move that had much promise, but it's a promise broken. This looks too easy. It looks far too easy. Is this the equaliser? It's in! And of course it's in!
Këqyre more pasha një zot nuk është normal. Valloj sa normal kjo luj more.
Rafinha. 3-1, well led. Messi. Now the chance for them to pull forward. And I'm afraid that's where it ends for them. Messi. And the attack is over.
E qysh bërë si dul trope që aty?
A move of real promise developing. There's the shot.
Aj, nuk është normal.
Anything like this again. Somehow, incredibly, they're now in front.
Nuk është normal kjo
Good
luj.
reading of the game to win the ball. Oh, look at this, away they go on the counter. And the counter fizzling out in the end. A promising move stalled.
Këshire bre. Veç këshire në farfat I aver lujta.
It's a good ball in behind. And the chance slips away. And we're inside the final 15 minutes. Xavi. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Xavi.
Ja, valloj e fshin këtë lojt motit.
Pass played through
Këshire
perfectly.
more.
Promising attack halted.
Yeah, the positioning was spot on. Brilliant awareness.
Not long left, and here they come. Chance for the equaliser. Oh, what a stop, dealt with that.
Qfar gabimi bre ku? Kinezin e nonët.
And there's a chance for the break here. Well, they couldn't quite take advantage at the end of that.
I thought they had a chance there, you know. Great recovery from the defence.
Caroline. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. It's in.
Aj.
That should
Nuk është normal kjo
be
loj.
little time left for any response now.
Nuk është normal kjo loj. Definitivisht. Prej 5-0, prej 5-0 ma ka bo 7-5 averi. Prej 5.
Advantage played, no free kick. Vlasic.
Shko ben rratë samës, shko. Loje mutit.
Well, the fans are happy and they should be.
Edhe këqyre plus lun teze ky me partjer.
Yeah, they've clearly been the better
Qa
side.
qëlletari fort ky.
Composed and clinical up front. They've moved the ball around quickly with quality.
As foul nuk e bën. Ai 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 ai.
All-round performance so far.
Well, now they could spring the trap.
Jepja bet koç mutit.
There's a foul, free kick to come.
Këqyre ku pason.
Perfectly anticipated, really well won. And that is the final blast. Not the result that the visiting fans were hoping for. What did you make of it all?
This was below the levels we expect from them.